Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa mga kaibigan natin sa Facebook at YouTube, sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Ang ating bisita po ngayong hapon ay isang award-winning documentarist, news anchor, best-selling author, matalino, makabayan at pogi. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Atom Arroyo.
Tito Boy.
Maraming salamat. Please, make yourself comfortable. Ano ka ba? Ganda yun ha, from award-winning to pogi.
Oo nga, ikaw lang ba nagdagdag nun? Thank you ha.
Maraming salamat, Atom, for being here.
It's my honor and privilege, Tito
Sa
Boy.
pagdalaw sa amin. Pero alam mo bang pogi ka?
Grabe naman yung tanong. First question pa talaga. Oo naman, bakit hindi? Oo, bakit?
Totoo naman.
Oo, ba't ko kukontrahin?
Pero alam mo ba that I was your publicist when you were doing 5 and up?
Is that so?
Ano ka, Atom?
Talaga?
Sana si Miss Lazaro nanonood. Of course.
Yeah.
I saw you. Ang cute-cute mo talaga. Sa school ba? Crush ka na nun? Ng mga girls?
Nung bata kasi ako, naging part ako ng children's theater. Tapos merong ginagawa noon, Ateneo to, yung mga students ng mga other schools, mga all-girls schools, like Miriam, St. Paul, nanonood sila ng mga plays namin eh.
Miriam na.
Oh, Marinol pa ata.
Okay,
tapos naging Miriam eventually. Alam mo naman mga kids, di ba? Parang kita nila na from their all-girls school enclave, nasa Ateneo sila. All-boys naman. So, dahil sa nasa stage ako, ayan, may mga nagsusulat ng mga letters.
At ang sinasabi?
Ang cute. Actually, nasa akin pa yan hanggang ngayon eh. I kept all of those letters.
And letters would say,
parang admiration, parang gano'n, or parang lalagay yung number nila.
Tinawagan mo naman ang ilan?
Hindi. Baka weird.
You were with the Children's Theater. That was very famous sa Ateneo. Yung panahon na yun, nangarap ka mag-artista talaga?
Hindi. Kaya ako nag-theater, it was a way to kind of get out of my shell. Kasi medyo mahihain akong bata.
Okay.
So sabi ng parents ko, makapag enroll natin sa Children's Theater para magkaroon ng mga kaibigan, magkaroon ng confidence.
Tama.
Ganun lang.
And I think theater does that.
Pero because of my theater experience, I did productions in UP also. I also did some, uso pa noon yung telesine with Direct Jeffrey Juturian, I remember. But, you know, these are things that I did as a kid. Hindi naman siya para naging trajectory into something bigger.
Okay, I get that. In an interview, you described yourself as torpe.
Yes.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam.
May paliwanag ba yun?
Mahihain lang talaga ako in general, I think. Parang
You have always been shy.
I tend to kind of overthink things.
Pero ngayon hindi na masyado?
Less so. Okay. Parang wala naman akong choice eh. Kasi I do these things. Kailangan makadevelop ka ng some level of comfort.
You never had a girlfriend when you were in college, when you were in high school?
No, I did not. Hindi ko alam. Why? Parang siguro I was just having so much fun doing different things, and I had a lot of friends, both girls and boys. So the idea of having a girlfriend never really, it wasn't something that I was looking for.
I totally get that. Ngayon, in your life, pag ikaw may girlfriend or pag ikaw ay nasa isang relasyon, would you go public?
I would. It's not like I would keep it a secret, but at the same time, there's a nice balance, I think. Na you keep some things to yourself.
And that's one of them?
I think so. I think so.
Okay.
Parang some things are not for public consumption.
All right. And you define that? Ikaw kasi ang nagmamando nun eh.
Correct, oo. Pero it's not like tinatago mo. ba't mo naman itatago?
No, that needs a conversation between you and the girl, for example,
Yeah.
na this is how we're gonna do it.
Yes. Parang of course, you have to be on the same page. Kasi baka naman
Tama.
sabihin, tinatago mo ba ako?
Hindi, totoo yan.
Meron din kasing ganon.
Meron.
na
Aren't you
hindi
proud of
naman
me?
okay.
Diba?
Exactly.
Do you have a girlfriend now?
Yes. Yeah.
Oh.
Oo.
Talaga?
Oo.
Oo. Galing mo naman. Hindi ko alam. Talaga. So how long have you been taken?
Matagal na. How many years? See, we don't even count years. It's been a while.
Oh, nice. I'm really happy. Hindi ko alam kung magandang balita ito para sa maraming kababaihan. Is she also public?
She is public. Yeah.
She is.
Yeah, she is
So that's good. That's what you meant by you have to be on the same page.
Yeah.
Kailangan nagkakaunawaan kayo.
I think people know. People on social media know. They see us outside.
I am not on social media. So, kaya siguro hindi ako masyadong nasa balita.
Correct.
Actually, nagkukunwari lang ako na hindi ko alam.
Sabi na eh.
Pero, no,
Dali ako
but
dun,
we should respect that. We should respect that. But are you thinking about settling down, marriage? I mean, is that in your mind now?
That's always in someone's mind when they're in a serious relationship. So definitely, it's something that you think about, something that you're ready for. But parang hindi naman siya. I mean, I'm not setting a deadline or a timeline for it.
But is she?
I hope so.
Hindi, kasi kailangan yun eh, di ba?
Correct,
That's a decision that you both have to make.
Correct.
Di ba? And both of you have careers. Babalikan ko lang yung pag-aartista. Hindi mo pinursue ito. But you did Citizen Kane, naalala ko.
Citizen Jake, yeah.
And so Citizen Kane, well, that's one of the greatest movies of all
Exactly.
time. Di ba? Citizen Jake, kumusta yung karanasan na yun?
Sobra siyang precious. And I'm so glad that I took the risk and pinagkatiwalaan din ako ni Direk Mike De Leon.
The great Mike De Leon.
Yeah, may he rest in peace. And also the entire team na naging bahagi ng pelikula na yon. It wasn't easy for me. There was a steep learning curve. Pero every moment with that team, para akong sponge eh. Parang inabsorb ko lang lahat. Nakikita ko paano silang nagsiset up ng scene, kasi naging part din ako dun sa pagsusulat ng screenplay, kung ano ba yung parts na essential, paano pinabali-baliktad. Parang gustong-gusto ko yan eh. Kapag na-immerse ako sa mundo na hindi ko talaga linalanguyan, parang dami ko natututunan. So I really love that
I
experience.
like that. Bakit siya risk?
Risk because, well, I'm not an actor. At least I'm not a professional actor. It's been a while since I did anything when I did Citizen Jake. At the same time, I work in media. Hindi madalas na nagkakaroon ng ganoong crossover. Dahil, well, hindi clear din sa akin, pero parang conventional wisdom lang siguro.
No, at saka hindi siya familiar territory.
Hindi siya familiar territory. Meron ding mga instincts na magkaiba eh. Parang instinct halimbawa ng isang mamamahayag to be restrained, to keep your emotions in check, to present a very even keel kapag nasa publiko ka. Pero ang actor, what I found in my short time doing that film is you have to feel everything. You have to allow your body to respond to what you're feeling. So pag kunyari eksena, kailangan galit ka, hindi pwedeng pigilan mo yun eh. Kailangan hayaan mo na mag-react yung katawan mo. Hindi ako sanay dun eh. Meron ako mga barriers. So yun yung pinakamalaking challenge for me.
When you go to the field at nakikita ka halimbawa ng mga tao covering also all kinds of stories, hindi ka ba nadidistract pag, di ba, yung ang gwapo naman ito? This is not to sound facetious, but nasusunog na o may nirara sa ospital, ang biglang dadating sa Atom Arroyo at ang pogi niya. May mga ganon.
Oo, meron. Nakakatawa siya minsan kasi lalo na kapag seryoso yung nangyayari. Magtataka ka rin eh. Minsan may mga nako-cover ako, mga kababayan natin, binaha yung bahay nila. Tapos, I mean, malungkot yung sitwasyon. Pero parang, ewan ko kung ano yun, nasa karakter ng mga Pilipino, meron silang dahilan lagi para ngumiti. At minsan, you just lean into it. Kasi parang, they see somebody they see on TV,
Right.
Andun ka, di why not make it
May
a light
nangyari
moment?
na you were about to do a story and then may nagpapa-selfie.
Oo, maraming
Meron,
gano'n.
diba? And a serious report, for example, and then,
Oo.
Atom, pa-selfie naman.
Maraming ganon.
Oo.
Pero you try to accommodate everyone. Pero pag work time talaga.
But that's not very easy.
Alam mo, it's both a gift
Uh-huh.
and a curse in a way. Like all things. The fact that I've been on TV for such a long time.
Right.
Lumaki ako sa television. Maraming mga pinto na nagbukas dahil doon. Kahit na yung itsura, parang
Totoo. Oo.
hindi ko naman tinatanggi yun. But at the same time, you have to work extra hard to prove to people that you're serious.
That's a downside, no?
Oo. I mean,
Not naman downside, but,
oo.
you know.
I mean, ang kagandahan nun, kahit naman ako, gusto ko yung pursuit of excellence eh. So, challenge ko rin yung sarili ko. So, hindi naman hindi ko siya gagawin kung hindi ako tinitignan ng masinsinan. Pero, yun talaga yun eh. That's the game. You work with what you have.
Okay. Right now, you have your book, A View
Yes.
from the Ground. Talk about it.
A View from the Ground is 8 years in the making. It's a collection of narrative journalism, things that I've covered over the years with GMA. I think it focuses on the lives of people in the margins, and that's what I want it to be. And it showcases some of the photography that I've done. Doing those
Nagpahanap kami ng
stories.
kopya, wala na kaming mahanap. Pero kami
Meron na
out
ulit.
meron na.
Meron na.
Meron
Oo.
na.
I think by next week lalabas na.
Okay.
Di ba? Right on cue.
You're right.
Tito Boyd, actually, this is for you.
Oh.
Mamaya, bibigay ko sa'yo.
Marami. Ang ganda.
Di ba?
Ito po ang book ni Atom na sold out pero nagkaroon ho ng panibagong kopya.
Reprint.
Reprint ang tawag
Yes.
po dyan. And this coming Sunday, a documentary is going to be shown
Yes.
on Siquijor.
Siquijor. Siquijor is a rising star in Philippine tourism. Year on year, dumadami yung mga bisita. For such a small island, it packs a lot of punch kasi merong mayamang kultura, mga healing tradition, merong mga magagandang dagat, a lot of really beautiful marine protected areas for diving. Naging sikat dahil kay Anne, yung kanyang ferry walk
You
sa
also
falls.
did.
I did, oo.
You also
I
did.
attempted.
How was that?
Masaya. There's something for everyone eh. And kumbaga, kung mahilig ka sa adventure, meron. Masarap din ang food.
Okay.
So, it's sort of a light story.
I'm sorry, but bakit tinawag na ferry walk yun?
Dahil kay Anne.
Dahil kaya.
Kasi mukha siyang diwata.
We're talking about Ann Curtis. Okay. Yan, oh.
Kasi wala naman siyang name before it became viral because of Ann Curtis.
Ang ganda, no? Parang parang kaka-relax the way you're doing it.
So I mean, for us, as we showcase the beauty of the island, ang question nga na pinopost namin is it ready for the next step? Kasi maraming mga tourist destinations sa Pilipinas, kapag hindi maayos yung development, nagkakaproblema sa basura, over-tourism. So sana yung Siquijor ay ma-maintain niya yung magic niya.
Atom, sa lahat ng mga ginawa mong para sa news at saka documentaries, ano yung pinakadelikado? That's number one. And then let's do a discussion on, pag ikaw halimbawa nagre-report ka as a news person on issues like corruption, is it important for you to take a position na sigurado kang dapat wala kang kinikilingan? Ang mga kasagutan po sa pagbabalik ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kami nagbabalik po dito sa Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Kasama ho natin Atom Arroyo. Atom, let's do Fast Talk. Bago natin ipagpatuloy ang ating kwentuhan.
The dreaded Fast Talk.
Atom, guwapo, matalino.
Matalino.
Mababa o malalim.
Malalim.
Maangas, maamo.
Maamo.
Matibay, marupok.
Matibay.
Habulin, takbuhin.
Takbuhin.
Alfonso, Tomas.
Tomas.
Atomic, acidic.
Atomic.
Proton, neutron.
Proton.
Fact, fiction.
Fact.
News, documentary.
Documentary.
Single taken.
Taken.
I feel pogi kapag
Bagong ligo.
I feel sexy kapag
Bagong gising.
green flag mo sa babae.
Mabait sa mga servers.
Red flag mo sa babae.
Mata pobre.
1 to 10, nakailang girlfriends ka na?
Hindi ko mabilang.
1 to 10, hindi nagbibilang
Hindi ako
si Aton.
nagbibilang.
Gaano ka ka-in love ngayon, 1 to 10?
10.
Yes or no, may niligawan sa showbiz?
No.
Yes or no, na-in love sa katrabaho?
Yes.
Yes or no, gumapang sa kalasingan?
Yes.
Yes or no, nang stalk ng ex?
No.
Yes or no, pumatol sa basher?
Yes.
Yes or no, handa ng mag-asawa?
Yes.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolates.
Best time for chocolates?
Pagkatapos magsipilyo.
I am Atom Arroyo and I am...
Here.
I love that. Sa lahat ng iyong ginawa para sa news or documentaries, ano yung pinakadelikado?
Pinakadelikado, alam mo Tito Boy, iba-ibang risk eh. Merong physical risk. Nag-cover ako ng mga malalakas na bagyo. So, tumatak yan sa aking body of work. Pero meron ding mga topics na delikado dahil may mga binabaga kang mga makapangyarihan. So, there are stories about, for example, very influential politicians or very big corporations or mga about insurgency, for example. Yan, very sensitive kasi nakaranas na tayo ng binash, na tanong kanina. So, you understand it's part of the territory, but of course, minsan nakakatakot din. Lalo kapag talagang consistent at tuloy-tuloy.
Ito talagang napaka-interesante yung pag-usapan ngayon. Kasi halimbawa, napapagitna tayo dito sa lahat nitong mga investigasyon mula sa ICI, Blue Ribbon Committee, dati sa Kongreso. Lahat-lahat ng ito, it's so noisy, it's so chaotic out there. Nasaan ka as someone in the news?
You know, I have really strong opinions about it. I believe strongly in the importance of good governance and accountability. Hindi naman deniable eh. It's out there na talagang grabe ang korupsyon. Bilyong-bilyong piso ang pinag-uusapan. At ang pinaka-nakalulungkot, latest lang ito sa mahabang kasaysayan natin na merong mga expose tapos wala naman nangyayari. So, I am absolutely 100% with ordinary people when they say na we're sick and tired and we want people to pay. Gusto namin may managot.
This is not just for you and me, but for a lot of people who are in broadcast, for example. Habang naghahanap ka ng ebidensya, habang naghahanap tayo ng mga katibayan, we make certain opinions. We have our own opinions based on many things. Pagdating sa trabaho, paano ang balanse, in your opinion, doon sa klarong-klaro naman, naniniwala ka na itong taong to magnanakaw at mandarambong, tapos biglang nakakaharap mo, and you actually give airtime and you're trying to be fair. Is that possible?
I think it's possible. Tricky yan, Tito Boy. Unang-una, yung access kasi malaking usapin yan sa mga journalist eh. Parang when I say access, papayag ba yung tao na ma-interview siya? No? Kung alam nung i-interviewin...
Or kung hindi man, abogado o di kaya kakampi noong taong involved.
Yun na nga, parang halimbawa kung alam nung i-interviewin na itong reporter na to, will ask tough questions, will be adversarial, baka sabihin niya, wag na lang.
Okay.
Pero at the same time, hindi naman pwedeng mag-pull ka ng punches kasi you owe it to the public to ask the questions they want to ask. So yes, kung ang meron ka palang ay akusasyon, itanong mo sa kanya yung mga akusasyon na yun. Pero kung meron ka ng ebidensya, merong nagsalita, halimbawa, merong document, merong litrato, kailangan mong ihapag sa kanila yun.
Right.
At hindi mo lang pwedeng tanggapin na blanket denial. You have to be diligent about those things.
Atom, I know there's going to be there are a lot of rallies, etc. Tanong lang ito na personal. Because I'm doing a mini-series also on my platforms. May outrage, may galit ang tao. Pero bakit it seems like this outrage is not enough for people to go out.
In larger numbers.
Yes. Do you feel that way?
I think it's also a matter of patience. Ang mga social movements, they don't happen overnight.
Yes.
It has to be sustained. Nakita natin to sa history natin eh. Second EDSA People Power Pricing, the first EDSA People Power Pricing, it took years eh. In fact, maraming mga nagbuwis ng buhay bago naabot yung tipping point. So, ang importante ay hindi tayo mawalan ng pag-asa at mag-aral din tayo. Kasi alam mo kailan nawawalan ng pag-asa mga tao? Kapag hindi nila naintindihan yung ugat ng problema. Kasi ako bilang dating student leader sa UP, naging bahagi ako ng iba-ibang mga organizations, no? Naintindihan ko na yung pagbabago, hindi siya agad-agad makikita eh. Tsaka, ang problema sa korupsyon, hindi lang nasa mga tao eh, nandun sa sistema. At yung sistema, hindi siya madaling baguhin. Pero meron tayong mga small wins na pwede makuha kung tuloy-tuloy tayong naniningil. May mga small fish na pwede makulong. Ngayon, tingin ko alam ng mga nasa kapangyarihan na hindi pwedeng tumigil tayo sa small fish. Kailangan merong mga managot na medyo mas mataas ang posisyon. At baka hindi pa enough yon para sa mga kababayan natin. So the outrage is being felt. And I feel like yung mga politiko natin, takot sila doon sa opinion na yun ng taong bayan. So tingin ko, habang nasusustain yung movement na yun at nakikita ng mga tao kung ano yung mga napapala nito, ano yung naabot nito, lalaki at lalaki siya. So we just have to keep at it.
I totally get what you mean. Hindi naman din pwedeng basta lang tayo mga class. But nagtataka lang ako na so much out there, araw-araw may bagong balita. But
I think really, Tito Boy, I think more and more people are realizing na hindi enough na magkaroon na ng mga bagong leaders. Kailangan natin silipin yung sistema. Bakit yung sistema natin
I totally agree.
nag-aanak ng ganitong klaseng mga problema year after year?
You change the actors, but the system is the same?
It's the same. In fact, ang nakakalungkot nga dyan, some people say even if you get into government as a good person with good intentions, after a while, dahil sa dami ng compromises, nalalamon ka nila ng sistema. So it is the system.
I was about to say that because sabi mo nga bilang student leader, tingnan mo ang political landscape. Kung ilan mga student leaders ang nasa ang pwesto, kung ano ang mga opinyon. Nakakalungkot, di ba? Pero mahabang usapin yan. Huling katanungan, Atom. Halimbawa, ikay magpapakasal na at may nagsabing politiko na involved dito sa flood control. Gusto ko magninong kay Atom, papayag ka?
Wag na. Bakit ako papayag? Excuse me.
Atom, imbitahan mo ang lahat na suportahan lahat ang iyong mga ginagawa.
Sa Sunday na po, unang-una ang The Atom Radio Specials. Please watch Magic Island tungkol sa Siquijor. Meron namang Eyewitness, which is almost every month. And nightly, meron kami newscast, State of the Nation. And please get a copy of my book, A View from the Ground.
Atom, maraming salamat for all that you are
Thank you.
For all that you do for us and for the country. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Tito Boy. Thank you.
Tay, Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapapasok sa amin, sa inyong mga puso at tahanan araw-araw. Be kind. You like kindness, I know. And make your nanay proud and say thank you. Araw-araw po ay minsan napaka-challenging dahil pinapapamili tayo gawin ang mga bagay-bagay. Gawin natin ang tama. Be Juan Tama. Goodbye for now and God bless.